Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robot vacuums that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. In one corner, we have the Tikom Robot Vacuum, and in the other corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Tikom Robot Vacuum comes with a price tag of $299, while the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is priced at $599. It's clear that the Tikom Robot Vacuum is the more budget-friendly option. However, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum comes with some impressive features that might justify its higher price. When it comes to cleaning performance, both vacuums excel in their own ways. The Tikom Robot Vacuum offers a powerful 2700 PA suction, making it ideal for short and medium pile carpets as well as hardwood floors. It also features 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping technology, ensuring a completely clean home. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum boasts incredible suction power and a self-cleaning brush roll, making it perfect for homes with pets. It also utilizes matrix clean technology for precise cleaning in a matrix grid pattern. Navigation is an essential aspect of any robot vacuum. The Tikom Robot Vacuum utilizes gyroscope smart navigation, which allows it to clean your home more thoroughly by following an efficient zigzag path. This navigation system improves cleaning efficiency by 30%. Meanwhile, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum incorporates 360-degree lidar vision, enabling it to quickly and accurately map your home for methodical cleaning while detecting and avoiding objects in its path. Both robot vacuums offer some fantastic additional features. The Tikom Robot Vacuum can be controlled via an app, allowing you to choose from 5 cleaning modes and even connect it to Alexa and Google Home for voice control. It also includes Carpet Boost technology for deeper cleaning on carpets and boundary strips to set no-go areas. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum can be controlled through the Shark Clean app and voice commands using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It also features an extended runtime with recharge and resume functionality, and a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. Overall, the Tikom Robot Vacuum is highly effective and efficient, offering outstanding cleaning capabilities, advanced mapping technology, and powerful suction. It has multiple cleaning modes, remote control, and a sleek design. Reviewers also praise its quiet operation and ability to adjust suction power based on the surface. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is considered a great purchase with minor issues. Reviewers appreciate its effective cleaning, mapping capabilities, and help with allergies. However, some mention slight noise and time-consuming cleaning on carpets. The self-emptying base and extended runtime are highly valued features. Ultimately, the decision comes down to specific needs and budget. There you have it, a detailed comparison between the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. While the Tikom Robot Vacuum offers impressive cleaning power at a more affordable price, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum comes with advanced features such as self-emptying, precision mapping, and strong suction, making it a great choice for pet owners and those who prioritize convenience. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed choice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.